my channel. I am here today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Showcasing another pre-everything style from the company Myfirstwig. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. And we're gonna go ahead and open this. I know I have showed you a lot of Yankee straight bobs, but we got the curls in the building. It's their curly bob wig. This one is a part of the Dainty Secrets collection. And the texture on this is the Poppin curls. It says that this is 14 inches in length. This is what your cap construction looks like. So you do get a 13x6 parting space area. You get 2 combs on the side. You also get a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, also your adjustable elastic band. And as you can see, they did go ahead and pre-cut the lace in the back. And then the lace is pre-cut in the front area, if I can pull that down. And you can also tell that they went ahead and bleached those knots. What the hairline is looking like. As you can see, they did pluck it out. Okay, the plucking is in the building. That looks really good. And then this is what it looks like on this side, and then this is what it looks like in the front. So I feel like there's a little bit of lace that I can trim off, but not too much. On the side, I can go in and trim some of that lace down so that it sits above my ear. And let's get into this parting space area. So this is what the parting space is looking like. It's giving scalp. So if you wanted to part it on another side, you absolutely can. I do have on my darker wig cap. Now towards the back area, I do feel like they were almost close to over bleaching. So it looks like they stopped just in time because it's looking a little orange back there. Over this far before you start really running into tracks. But if you wanted to do like a little flip over right here, you're good to go. Curls on this look a little crazy because it's been sitting in the box. So I'm definitely gonna have to go in and refresh everything. I do like the length. I also like that it doesn't feel really heavy on my head because of the density. So this density is good to me. I know that it is going to probably shrink up a little bit once I put my product on, but that is a-okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this and install this. This looks really good, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get to working on this, and then of course I'll be back so you guys can see the final look and also hear my final thoughts when it comes to this shampoo. a nice switch up because I always show you guys the Yaki straight bob wig, so it was fun to play around with this curly one. I did give you guys 2 style options, which is this little flip over that I decided to do, and then also the middle part. You guys let me know which one you like the best. I mean, the flip over is cute, okay? I don't know if it's like a semi flip over, but I absolutely love the middle part. It just won me over. But this hair is really nice. Styling process, I did run across a little bit of shedding, and to install this unit, I didn't have any issues. I did have to cut off some of the lace on the side, bobby pins on the side, and then I used my olive oil mousse to not only lay the lace down, but to also style the hair. Really gave the hair a nice little wave pattern with some curls towards the ends. I also went in with my brush, and it just helped kind of coil the bottom of it. So the hair is really, really nice. I am noticing a little bit of frizziness, but with this texture, I definitely expect it. If you want to fluff it up even more, you definitely can. But of course, I like to see the texture a bit before it starts to get old. I trimmed off a little bit of my lace. I feel like if you are a darker complexion than me, you are gonna have to go in with some type of powder, because as I was looking up in certain lighting, I could see a little bit of lace, but I didn't feel like it was enough for me to have to go in and add any type of tint spray, because I feel like that would come off a little bit too dark. As far as the parting space goes, the parting space is really nice, but the one thing that I noticed is that it is over bleached in certain areas, especially towards the back. So I went in with a little bit of my eyeliner pen and I just kind of traced in some of those areas. Because it's a style straight out of the box, it has not been washed yet, but when I do decide to go in and wash it, what I'm going to do is put some of my purple shampoo in the lace area, and that's just going to help kind of tone it. But I just have to let you guys know what I received. So hopefully they watch this, they fix it, because they do be watching and they do be listening and they do be reading the comments, that they fix that, because I haven't run across too many of their units that have been over bleached. So that was really a surprise to me. In the back area is, like I said, where I noticed it, and you can also see where it's kind of like a little bit of orange. But I did not go in with any type of powder or anything because I didn't feel like it was needed. Too much to say when it comes to this wig. It's definitely already pre-ready to wear. Now, they did a really good job with plucking out the front of this hairline, because that looks so realistic. I didn't have to go in and do anything. I mean, look at that, and then just place it back down. And that's one thing that I love about their units. So what you guys think about this unit? Are you feeling the curls? If you are, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.